Plagiarism is one of the fastest ways to fail a course, delay graduation, or get a paper rejected even when you didn't intend to cheat. In this video, I will show you exactly how to avoid plagiarism in academic writing, what it is, why it happens, and the practical steps you can use to write with confidence. Stay with me to the end of this video and I will share simple plagiarism avoidance checklists many students wish they had earlier. By the end of this video, you will know the different types of plagiarism, why plagiarism happens even unintentionally, how to paraphrase correctly, how to cite and reference properly, and tools and habits that keep your work original. If you are writing a thesis, project, or journal paper right now, like this video, it will help others to find it. Now, the big question is, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is presenting someone else's idea, words, data, or your own paper without acknowledgement. And the common form includes direct copying, poor paraphrasing, missing citation, and self-plagiarism. Yes, reusing your own previous work without permission is also plagiarism. Most plagiarism cases are not intentional, and that's what we will fix next. Now, the big question is, why do students plagiarize without knowing? Even academics, even researchers. Number one is poor note-taking. When you read literature, you read and you take notes of essential points. Number two is deadline pressure. Three is weak paraphrasing skill. And four is lack of citation knowledge. Understanding the cause helps you to prevent the problem. Now, let's talk about how to paraphrase correctly. More often, people fall victim of plagiarism because of poor paraphrasing skill. If you know how to paraphrase very well, you are likely going to escape the trap of plagiarism. Number one, it's important to know even the wrong way of paraphrasing. The common way people paraphrase is to change few words. Two is to keep the sentence structure. These are wrong way of paraphrasing. Now, let's talk about the right way to paraphrase when it involves scientific writing. Now, the first thing is to read and understand the idea. Then you want to close the source and write in your own words. Cite the source. If your paraphrase still looks like the original, it is not safe. Comment para in the comment section if paraphrasing is the biggest challenge to you. Now, let's talk about citing and referencing properly. Any idea, theory, or data that is not common knowledge must be cited. For instance, if I say food is good for the body, that's a common knowledge. I don't need to cite any authority. But when it becomes uncommon, it must be cited. Any claim. Now, this can actually be achieved when you make use of paraphrasing tools or manager. Number one, it's important to familiarize yourself with referencing styles. The APA style, the Vancouver style, the Harvard style, these are common referencing styles that a journal or an authority or an institution may require that you adopt in your writing. Citations protect you. They don't weaken your work. Now, it's important to talk about tools that actually enhance your ability to properly cite sources in academic writing. These are tools that will actually help you to avoid plagiarism. Number one is the Mendeley. It's a reference manager. Number two is the Zotero. Reference managers automatically store, cite, and format references. We also have plagiarism checker like Turnitin, But please use plagiarism checker as learning tool, not as license to copy. Again, while it is important to exploit sources, literature in your academic writing, you must ensure you use them in the right way. The first, balance is the key in this situation. Number one, too few citations will imply a high risk of plagiarism. However, too many quotes will also weaken originality. Your voice must dominate your writing as a researcher. Now, as we wrap up, it's important to discuss some common mistakes to avoid in academic writing. Number one is copy-paste and then edit later. Number two is citing without reading. Number three is relying on AI output without editing. Number four is forgetting to cite tables and figures. When you use tables and figures in your writing, you must cite the source. Plagiarism is easier to avoid when you slow down and write intentionally. If you are a postgraduate student or early researcher, there are certain things that are described as good academic writing habits. Number one is keeping track of your sources. Number two is writing from understanding, not memory. And number three is to cite as you write. 4. Leave time for revision. Good habits beat plagiarism software. If you want, I can provide you with a plagiarism avoidance checker. Comment plagiarism on the comment section and I will share them with you. If this video helped you write more confidently, like, share, and subscribe for more content on academic writing, research methods, and statistics. Tell me in the comment section what caused plagiarism challenges for you, paraphrasing or citation. Don't forget to also explore my channel for more insightful video on academic writing and statistical analysis. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for listening.